Hey there, it's Amy Wilson. Thank you so much for joining us. I'm so excited to party with you. And I wanted to show you some of our utility totes. These are our top performing, top selling items. And you can literally use these for anything. That is why they're so popular. You can use them from anything from going to the beach, sports equipment, groceries, you name it, packing for a vacation. These are your tried and true. If you are new to 31, this is where you should start for sure. So let's talk about all of the different options. So first and foremost, we have our most popular seller since 2009 when it was first introduced. This is our large utility tote. And again, top seller, the price point on this is $35. That is our charcoal crosshatch. I've got the 31 Gives logo embroidered on there. And when you fill this up, it will, not be so scrunched. So here's the look in there. And then let me show you the deluxe version, which is a step up. So this is the deluxe. I'll see if I can get you a side-by-side view here, but if not, I can show you in a photo. Can't really see it. So the deluxe is a little bit longer. They're both the same width. The deluxe is a little bit longer. It has a reinforced bottom on it. And it's got these slat pockets in the front here so that you can hold some stuff in there. Love this. This is the deluxe again, and this is the large. So depending on your family size or what you're going to use it for, you might want to go for either one of them. Let me know if you need help deciding on that. Next up is our small utility tote. So this is about half the size of the deluxe. You can actually fit 2 of these inside the deluxe. There you go, look at that print there. Love this print. This is one of my new favorites. It's got a pocket in the front here. And then a wide open again. So all of these 3 utility totes that I just showed you have a wire in the top. So they are collapsible so that they can store easily, but they do have that wire rim on the top. The next one I want to show you is brand new. It is the tiny utility tote. So let me show you the tiny and the small next to each other. Small, tiny, super cute, right? I love this for the car or for like a library bag, or if you want to put some tissues in here and maybe your remote controls on your end table, just so they don't get lost, right? I've seen this made into a doll bed by my child, and toys and everything fit in here wonderfully. So this would be a really good bag for the car for your kids. So that's the tiny. Another new one we have, which is like the hottest thing going right now, is this round utility tote. Check out the Moroccan tile print, and I love that pineapple embroidery. So that is on there. Let me open this up for you. This would be a really nice overnight bag, maybe a bag for some college kids, beach bag, wherever you're going, this will go nicely with you. So there's the round. And up next we have our zip top organizing utility tote. We have a fold and file that will fit in this. If you are a teacher, this is a really great solution for you. And again, wide open bag. It does have a zipper there. I just have it folded in. You can see it kind of dangling there. Shoulder straps. And then 7 outside pockets. Got 2 in the front, 3 in the back, and then a mesh pocket on either side. This is such a great bag. This is a great bag for sports, for soccer, for baseball, all of that kind of stuff. Fit it in there. Again, I mentioned teachers, cheerleading, this is a great bag for. And then the other one I want to mention is the essential storage tote. What I like about this print, by the way, is no longer available. Sorry about that. But what I love about this bag, and you could see that I already unfolded it, but this can fold up really nice and small. So I use these as grocery bags. You could use the small utility tote as well. So you can fold that up and you can fit 2 of them in our zipper pouch. And that to me is a lifesaver because I don't know about you, but I walk into the store and I'm like, ah, forgot my bags in the car. So if I can just throw a zipper pouch with 2 of these inside my purse, love it. What a miracle it would be. So as you all know, there are plenty of places that have banned plastic bags and plenty of places that will pay you to use your own bags, Target and Whole Foods, that I know of. So here's the Essential Storage Tote, and it's taller than your usual grocery bags, and it is a heck of a lot more sturdy. So you can pack these up real nice at the grocery store, real heavy, and just carry them right in. It also will fit 2 of these in a Deluxe Utility Tote. So that is a great grocery solution as well. Thank you so much. I'm so excited that you're joining me this week for this party, and I can't wait to get to know you. Please don't be shy. Let me know if there is anything that you need.